Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make delicious homemade enchiladas. We're using chicken. I've already boiled the chicken. I shredded it. Vegetable oil, cheese. This is the Mexican blend cheese. And then I'm using this for my enchilada sauce. I'm going to be using this plate. Right now I'm warming up my vegetable oil. As soon as I see it start to boil, I'm going to put the heat on low. And I'm going to make my tortillas soft. I'm using corn tortillas. I normally do this with the red ones, but today I couldn't find them at H-E-B. So we're going to do these. These taste just as good, but the red ones are a little bit better. While you're doing that, make sure you get your stove at 375. Start preheating it. Okay, for this video, I'm going to have my wife help me out. You just need like maybe 5 seconds, not you know, we're making enchiladas, we're not making tostadas, so you just want it where it's real soft and flimsy and flexible. And like I said, I got this, it's just vegetable oil in a little pot, and then you just gotta boil it, that's it. So after about 5 to 6 seconds in here to make the tortilla soft, we transfer it over to our plate. We're gonna dip it in the enchilada sauce, and don't be shy. Be generous with that sauce. Trust me, this tastes really good. Gonna get our chicken. Some cheese. Yes, we put cheese inside and outside. And again, we're using the Mexican blend cheese. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Okay, so all the enchiladas already been rolled and set. They're ready to go. So now we're gonna put the extra enchilada sauce. We're gonna pour it on top of this. On top of these enchiladas here, we're just gonna try to coat it. We're gonna coat it just like that. Okay, then we're gonna use the rest of our sauce too. So when we put this in the oven, we're just gonna let the cheese melt, that's it. Once the cheese melts, then they're ready to go. Shouldn't take that long. So after we put the sauce on there, after we done coated the enchiladas, we're gonna put the cheese on top. Okay, so after we coated our enchiladas with the extra sauce that was remained, we coated with one single layer of Mexican blend cheese on top. I'm gonna pop this thing in the oven, and as soon as it looks ready, all we're doing here is just trying to melt the cheese, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so at 375 on my stove, I did it for 10 minutes. You could do it longer if you want that crispy texture, but I don't really do ones like that. That's it. That's how you make delicious homemade Mexican enchiladas. Okay, so this is easy homemade enchiladas, homemade rice, and these are just ranch style beans. I put hot sauce on one, just so I can show you what it looks like with sauce and without sauce. Sometimes I put sour cream on it. Sometimes I do hot sauce. Tonight I'm doing hot sauce. But don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and have a good day.